Hello, my name's Timothea Goddard and I teach Mindfulness Based Stress Reduction, which is an 8 weeks evidence-based program to help people learn mindfulness meditation for a whole range of reasons: physical, mental health, well-being, flourishing. And I wanted to speak about the 3 things you need to cultivate a meditation practice. And the first one is willingness. You need to be willing to set aside some time, some space in your life, willingness to engage in this experience of being you. And also willingness to engage with a teacher, to explore, to take in information, to learn. And a group. This thing works beautifully to learn in a group. The second thing you need is Knowhow. And MBSR is a mindfulness-based stress reduction. It's just a brilliant way of unfolding the 4 foundations of mindfulness in a way that they can be known and integrated. You'll get a repertoire of practices to explore through, and you'll get these timeless teachings that inform the practice and help you apply it to your everyday life. So the know-how is really important, and this course provides a really helpful structure to kind of offer that in a way that's easily integrated. And the third thing, of course, is capacity. And this is capacity for presence, the capacity to pay attention in a tuned kind of fine way. Also the capacity to kind of pay attention to things when they're difficult. Normally we're very reactive when things are difficult. We want them to end straight away. We want to stop happening. But we're going to be cultivating the capacity to stay with things that are difficult and explore them and see what happens when we do that in this open-hearted way. We'll be developing the capacity for patience, the capacity for bringing kindness and compassion to yourself, even in the midst of stressful moments that we might otherwise judge ourselves for. And the capacity part of this, of course, grows for the rest of your life. It grows and grows and grows in a kind of never-ending way once you've established some foundations for the practice. So feel free to join us. We'd love to see you there. Okay, bye.